Hi, in this video we were going to explain the differences between the thermosetting paint, which is a category that includes epoxy and polyurethane paints, and thermoplastic paints. Thermosetting paints that are thermosets are paints that once cured and dried cannot soften, dissolve, or become liquid even if heat is applied. This is because the polymers they are made of are bound together and have no room for movement. It is as if they are all chained to each other, and even if you try to move them with heat, for example, they cannot move. The only thing that might happen if you apply a lot of heat is that they decompose or burn, similar to what happened to an egg when you cook it. If you expose it to high heat, it doesn't become liquid. Instead, it burns. This burning is a chemical reaction, a breaking of bonds, and the formation of new chemical products. And it has nothing to do with a compound changing from solid to liquid state. This condition is useful for the purpose of thermosetting paints because it is the reason why they are so hard, resistant, and difficult to break. Then likely external mechanical stresses won't either. Now we will talk a bit about the structural differences between thermoplastic and thermosetting paints. We can imagine the former as a fishing net with all the filaments tightly bound together. On the other hand, the latter will be more like filaments joined with clips. Although the clips provide some cohesion, if a force were to impact the filaments, the clip could come off and the structure will break. Gloss and latex paints, although they are thermosetting, do not have the molecular density and compactness of highly specialized paints like epoxy and polyurethane. The high density of epoxy makes it extremely hard and resistant, both mechanically and chemically. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cosmos Coatings. See you in the next video.